Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna do a replacement of the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve, this thing right here. Now usually if I have any O-ring, the rubber O-ring, I would put a little lubricant in it. So you might use fresh oil or you can use Vaseline if you want to. So this is PCV valve is from the engine. So they have building pressure, and the pressure, this is releasing the pressure out and to this output, and then this runs straight into the intake manifold, and then it goes straight back into the engine, so it burn off all the oil or any unnecessary. So sometimes it's clogged. So when you want to test it out, see if you are still working, it's when you shake like this and you hear the sound. That means it's working. If you don't hear any sound, that means it's clogged. And when it's clogged, it might build a lot of pressure inside your engine, and it might give you an oil leak, or all your seal will be damaged. So this thing costs about $25 at the dealer. I replace it every 30,000 miles, and some people don't know about it, and so they just leave it alone, and that might be some problem with your oil leak problem that caused by this. So it's going to be for the Chrysler Pacifica 2018. So what you do is remove this screw right here. So you can remove this upper air intake, upper air box. And next, what you want to do is there's a screw right here. Remove that screw, and in the back here, there's a sensor right here plugged into your inbox, your air inbox. So make sure you remove that, and then you should be able to wiggle it out from on the port. So you wiggle it out and you take it out. And next thing you want to do is, you see there's a port right here on your upper intake, right? And then it's going to this cable right here, and then it goes straight all the way to the bottom. So when you go into the bottom, it's connecting to the PCV valve, right? This is a PCV valve right here. There, right here. So in order to take that out, all you do is just press this, and then just yank it out. And it used to have a red clip right here, just like this one, that you need to take it out first. But then when I bring my car to the dealer to have the warranty work on the cooling housing that was leaking, and this I guess when they took it out, they never remember to put it back. And also they broke this one too, as you can see. So lucky it was under warranty. I never pay the money, but if I pay money for it, I'll be super angry, because they charge you a lot of money for their labor work, and this kind of work that you get from them. That's why I hate bringing it to the dealer. I'd rather do it myself. So the next thing you want to do is to remove this. There's a clip right here. Right here. You have to press it and then push it into the firewall to remove it. Oh, there you go. See that? So this thing right here. Oh, you can see it. See this here? The latch right here. So you press it out like this, and then push it toward the firewall, and that's how you remove it. Huh. So the way I see it in here, this one looked different than the other one, than the new one I just bought. But look at all the oil is in there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that oil. So you compare that with the new one. The new one is nice and clean, so there you go. So the new one is PA 33GF, and the old one it's the same thing, but there's a lot of oil in there, as I can see. Let me see what's inside that. Hope you can see it. Yeah, a lot of oil. A lot of oil, because this is where it's coming out. A lot of oil. Okay, I'll go ahead and clean that up. Yeah. I'll go ahead and clean all that up. Yeah, it's not good. So all you I need to do now is just clean it up, and then just put the new one in. All you do is just you insert it the same way, and instead of pushing to the firewall, now you rotate this way. And when you get into position, the top, this one is supposed to be upward, stand up like this. So in the engine, it's supposed to be like this, not on the side. Up like this, upward like this. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and I will see you guys on our next video. So if you do maintenance on the spark plug, make sure you just replace this too, because it's a cheap part and save you a lot of money in the long run. All right, that's it. Just go ahead and do the reverse process, and you're done. So I'll see you guys on our next video. Okay, all right, bye.